Hello students, today we are going to learn Mathematics Standard 8. Name of the chapter is Parallel Lines and Transversal. We are starting with a recall. We have already studied parallel lines and transversal in previous classes. So let us start revising from these terms. What are parallel lines and what is transversal? Parallel lines and transversal. Here there are two lines, line L and line M. These two lines are said to be parallel to each other. What does it mean? Parallel lines means these are such lines which lies in the same plane. In the same plane means एकाच प्रतलात आहेत पहा. हे दोन्ही रेषा या एकाच प्रतलात आहेत. The lines in the same plane which do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. Okay? Lines in the same plane which do not intersect each other means to whatever extent we extend these lines, to whatever length we extend these lines are not going to intersect each other. They are always running parallel. Means this distance between them will never going to change at any point. It never changes. The distance between these two lines when they are parallel will never changes. It is going to remain same. Okay, and they are not going to intersect each other. Such lines are called as parallel lines. Here line L and line M are parallel lines and it is written as line L parallel. There are two standing lines which are parallel to each other. It denotes that these two lines are parallel. And how to read it? Line L is parallel to line M. Understood? Once again repeat it. Parallel lines. What are parallel lines? The lines in the same plane which do not intersect each other are called as parallel lines. And how we are going to write it? We are going to write two standing lines between the names of the lines. Okay? The name of the line may vary but the sign remains same. Two standing lines. Line L parallel line M. Next part is transversal. What is transversal? Let's have a look. If a line intersects given two lines in two distinct points, then that line is called as a transversal of those two lines. In figure, there are two lines, line M and line N, and these are parallel to each other. Means they are never going to intersect each other. And here is a line A. This line A intersects line M. Let us change this name at point C and line L at point B. These are two distinct points. हे दोन भिन्न बिंदू आहेत. हे काय एकच बिंदू नाहीये. ही जी एक लाईन आहे A, ही लाईन M आणि N ला दोन भिन्न बिंदूमध्ये छेदते. म्हणजे M ला एका बिंदूत आणि N ला दुसऱ्या बिंदूमध्ये अशा दोन भिन्न बिंदूत छेदत असेल तर then line A is the transversal of these two parallel lines. Understood? Parallel lines and transversal. The lines in the same plane which do not intersect each other are called as parallel lines. If line L and line M are parallel lines, then it is written as line L parallel line M. Line L parallel line M. Transversal. If a line intersects given two lines in two distinct points, then that line is called as a transversal of those two lines. Here, line M and line N are parallel to each other. Line M parallel line N. And A is its transversal. Why it is transversal? Because line A intersect line M at point C, line N at point B. Therefore, it is the transversal of these two lines. Okay? Understood? Learn it, revise it and solve the sum based on it. Thank you.